How to request money on Chase app. At first, open the Chase mobile app on your smartphone. Log in using your credentials. Tap the menu icon. Select Quick Pay with Zelle from the menu options displayed. Choose Request to initiate a money request transaction. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Input the amount you wish to request from the recipient. Add a note or message if necessary for clarification. Review the request details for accuracy. Tap Request to send the money request. Your request will be sent, and the recipient can respond accordingly. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.